Welcome to Learn Easy channel. Today's topic is numbers. First we are going to see what are even numbers. The numbers which ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are even numbers. For example, I am taking some few of the numbers 44, 68, 712, 824 and 100. Okay, see these numbers in the unit place, that is ones place. என்ன இருக்குது ஒன்ஸ் பிளேஸில் 4 இருக்குது, இங்கே 8 இருக்குது, ஹியர் இட் இஸ் 2 and here it is 4 and here it is 0. All these numbers ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So these numbers we call it as even numbers. Okay. Now we are going for odd numbers. The numbers which ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are odd numbers. So I am taking some numbers as examples. 71, 133, 85, 99. See these numbers in the unit place or ones place. Here it is 1, here it is 3 and here it is 5 and here it is 9. So the numbers which ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are called as odd numbers. So we call these numbers as odd numbers and we call these numbers as even numbers. Okay. Now we go to prime numbers. The numbers that can be divided exactly only by itself and 1. These numbers are called as prime numbers. For example, I have given here some numbers. So let me take another example. Here I am taking 4. So what are the factors of 4? 2 into 2 times is 4 and 4 into 1 time is 4. So we are getting more than one factors here. So we cannot say this number as a prime number. So the number which divides only by itself, for example, if you take 2, what are the factors of 2? 1 into 2, again 2 into 1. So such type of numbers which can be divided exactly only by itself and by 1. Only by itself means here 2 means the same number 2 comes here as a factor. So the number that can be divided exactly by only by itself and by 1. Such type of numbers we call it as prime numbers. So I have taken some of the prime numbers here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, like that it goes on. So and one more thing, the only even prime number is 2. All other prime numbers are odd numbers. That is an important hint here. So what is a only even prime number means? It is only 2. All other prime numbers are odd. Okay. Next we move on to composite numbers. A composite number is a natural number which has more than 2 factors. Like I said here 4 we have more than 2 factors. Such type of numbers we call it as composite numbers. For example, here I have taken 15. What are the factors of 15? 3 into 5 we can write 1 into 15. So we are getting more than 2 factors. So we can say that these numbers are composite numbers. Next we go to natural numbers. It is a whole number, starts from 1 and goes till infinity. They are also called counting numbers. So natural numbers will start only from 1. Okay. So from 1 all the numbers are natural numbers. It goes up to infinity. Such type of numbers are called natural numbers. Next we go to whole numbers. Whole numbers are the real numbers which starts from 0 and it does not include fraction numbers. So whole numbers will start from 0 whereas the natural number will start from 1. That is the difference between these two. Okay, and whole numbers does not include fraction numbers like 1 by 2, 3 by 2. All these numbers will not be included in whole numbers. Okay, next we go to integers. These numbers include positive, negative as well as 0. Like you will get -2, -1 and you will get 0 also, and you will get numbers in positive also, 1 plus 1 plus 2. So all the numbers which are in the positive side and all the numbers which are in the negative side as well as 0, all these we call it as integers. Next we are going to see what are factors and what are multiples. Okay, when two numbers are multiplied, it gives a product. The numbers which are multiplied are factors and the product is the multiple. For example, now 2 into 1 time gives 2. I am taking this one. Okay, in this one 2 and 1, 2 into 1 time gives 2. 2 into 1, 2 and 1 are factors. And the answer, the product we got it in the right hand side, that is only multiple. For example, I am taking one more, 4 into 2 times is 8. Here 4 and 2 are factors of 8 and 8 is a multiple of 4. So these two we call it as factors and this one we call it as multiple. These two we call it as factors. Okay. Let me see some examples so that you can understand it better. So what are the first 5 multiples of 5? For 5 tables we get 5 times 1 equal to 5 and 5 times 2 is 10. So we write the 5 tables like this. So all these things, what all the products we get, all these are multiples of 5. They have asked first 5 multiples. So I have started from 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25 are the first 5 multiples of 5. Okay. And what are the factors? These two are the factors for 5. 5 into 1 time is 5. So 5 and 1 are the factor. Okay. Let me see another example. What are the factors of 12? So 12 we can write 2 into 6 times is 12, 3 into 4 times is 12, we can write 1 into 12 times is 12. So all these numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, all these numbers are factors of 12. Hope you understand this concept. If you have any doubts, post your doubts in the comment section so that I will clear your doubts in the next following video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.